Ceyentra Technologies has grown immensely in the IT industry within only 5 years of its inception. That's because our Ceyentra spirits make the difference, take the actions and follow the results. Let us reminisce on our eventful 5-year journey from nowhere to where we are now. We started out as 4 fresh graduates sharing a novel future vision that became the reality with commitment and teamwork. Ceyentra picked up the pace and grew its presence further in the IT industry. All of the Ceyentrians thrived in our brand, blossomed in our culture, and shared our vision. Meaningful growth needs space. We moved into new quarters that housed our growing family. Ceyentra ventured into the education sphere, launching the EduLab platform. Our culture encourages the team to work, learn and upskill in a flexible and caring working environment. Commencing international operations from Delaware, United States, we became a great place to work and the 18th best workplace in Asia. We created UniCloud 360, the Angry Cats NFT collection and the Ceyentra Metaverse with different technologies. Ceyentra Technologies invents specific software solutions for all sorts of global businesses and trades with the latest technologies in the industry. In education, finance, marketing, retail and enterprise sectors and many others, we understand and undertake your problems that need custom digital solutions. And that's just the beginning. The dedicated B2B rating and review site Clutch rated us a 4.9 out of 5 for our flawless services. The shelves of our showcase are filled with the accolades and recognitions we have received during these short 5 years. Industry leaders from all spheres alike acknowledge Ceyentra Technologies. We keep up to date with the forums, trends, conventions and norms of the IT industry and take part in events that pave the way to new knowledge and professional connections. And the pursuit of new technology is in our being. We see comrades instead of competition, challenges instead of obstacles, and purpose in place of just an occupation. Our work is what we pour our hearts into, and our play fills our hearts up. Having fun together and maintaining physical and mental wellness are as important as our duty to the clientele we hold dear. Our annual trips, events, and meetups keep the team cohesive, fresh, and efficient. We are artists, players, thinkers, creators, game changers, specialists, and professionals in the mix. And our tested recipe for success is our team spirit. So we celebrate and thank our team and our prestigious customers that make us who we are, Ceyentra. Let's reach the unreachable.